Happy New Year, guys, to you and your family from Nello Media. Um, Today we're featuring the Pocket Pro Comp NMCS-SIX. So we've got the wireless Pocket Pro here. And then you got your holster that this goes in like so. You've got your incorporated magnets into the Pocket Pro, which allows you to attach it to a metal surface. Um, right now, we've got SP1, SP2, SP3, SP4, SP5, SP6, and we've got voltage. So this unit is your handheld. You got your power button, you got your charging. Um, Battery life is exceptional. Uh, and then I've also incorporated, you can see here the little flashing right there that indicates connectivity between the handheld module and the transmit module in your vehicle. And then the one here on the left is your power. So if I turn off the transmit module, you'll see here that that light will start flashing in a different interval. So that actually lets you know that there's no connectivity, and you can see it's flashing pretty fast there. I'll power back up the TX unit. And then you'll see the sequence of the light change to let you know it's now connected. I'm going to grab one of these sensors here. You'll see it's SP3. You see the sensor, the temperature go up on SP3. Let it go. It's very little lag at all. Refresh rate is great. Let me grab another sensor here. That's SP4. So then, of course, you've got your transmit module. You've got all your connections to your sensors here. Most important thing on any of these kits is just to observe this WGBR, and that represents the wire color coming from the sensor. So you got white, green, black, and red. One thing worth noting, make sure once your installation is complete to tighten down these two screws on either side here so that your terminals stay in place. And kind of getting an idea here. If you're feeding it through a hole in your enclosure or something like that, you can actually undo these wires individually. Again, just make sure that they go back into their respective locations with WGBR. And then this terminal is designed to only go in one orientation. So just make sure you observe that. It just slides back into place. And then you got your simple positive input, ignition, and ground. Positive, whatever you're running into here is what you're going to see here on your voltage. So pretty straightforward, guys. And then finally, here's your sensors. Again, this is an NMCS-SIX, so we've got 6 sensors here. This is an example of one of our attachment brackets. You can see how that is, and typically I suggest putting a bead of epoxy right here at this joint down here where the bottom of the this heat shrink and sensor meets the bottom of the bracket, and then you'll want to put a bead of epoxy here to attach it to the oops, a little bit of string, you feel it, to attach it to the basket of your subwoofer. And you'll want it in this orientation where the eye of the sensor is facing your voice coil. So yeah, thanks again for you guys' support, and it's been a rough one for us, a rough 22. So we're hoping 23 will be a lot better. It's looking like it. So enjoy, be safe on your New Year's weekend, and we'll talk to you soon.